Alright, so we're going to change the oil on the Defender. Not quite at 100 hours yet. We're at like 93 or something like that. 820 miles. Yeah, 93.6. So they want you to change oil at 100 hours. So I'm going to let this warm up for about 5 minutes or so that the oil's moving in fluid. And then crawl underneath and pull that cap. So before I crawl underneath, this is the fill cap here. I'm going to remove that just for pressure release. I'll leave it all the way in. If you need to remove the filter, which I'm not going to do, filter is right there. I'm going to do the filter every other oil change, so probably before this winter I'll change that. And then I'm going to check the transmission oil, which is right there. And I'm going to lube all the joints too. So first, let's crawl underneath and pull that drain plug. So drain plug is up in there. It appears to be a 17 millimeter. So tight under here. Hold this on. Okay. There it is. I'll let that drain out and clean this up. Alright, we let her drain. We got a torque wrench set to 22 foot-pounds. And we'll put the drain plug back in. Alright, show you what you're using here. AMSOIL 040 4-stroke. This is the best stuff you can put in right here. So, got the funnel ready. Let's fill her up. 2.1 quarts with the filter, so might be a little less than that. One. And number 2. We'll go a little less than 2. And then check the level. Out. Yeah, I don't think we need any more than that. So I'm gonna run the motor, let it cycle through, let it settle, and then check it again. Well, that was probably one of the fastest oil changes I've ever done on a vehicle. It took about 5 minutes. It took more time to get out the tools and everything else than it did to actually change the oil. So I checked the transmission fluid. Everything looks pretty good. And then I'm gonna lube all the joints here, but you don't need to see that. There's joints in the back and in the front. I'm just gonna shoot a couple squirts of grease. So, hope that helps. Good luck. Super easy oil change. And see you in the next video. Talk to you later.